All right, when we're asked to find the domain of a square root function, the domain, well, like we talked in the last video, we don't want to take the square root of a negative number. Well, basically, the square root of a negative number is not a real number. So when we graph this, it's not going to show up. All right. So to find and I'll explain why it doesn't show up later on, but so what is the domain of this? Well, whatever is under the square root, in this case 2x minus 5, this is not under the square root. So whatever is under the square root needs to be greater than or equal to 0. All right, now we just solve this. Add 5 to both sides, and we get 2x is greater than or equal to 5. Divide by 2, and x is greater than 5 halves. So the domain of this function is x is greater than or equal to 5 halves if you give your answer using inequalities. If you give your answer using interval notation, greater than or equal to, well, equal to means we use a bracket. Greater than that, we're going all the way to infinity. And remember, around infinities, we always use parentheses.